So everyone wants to sell like Alex Hormozi. His current portfolio does $17 million per month, which is over $200 million per year. In this video, I'll be showing you his 3-step sales process that he follows when it comes to generating $200 million for all his companies. Alex Hormozi has been in business for at least over 10 years. He started with nothing and was able to grow his empire to over $200 million plus each year. Before starting acquisition.com, he had Gym Launch, Prestige Labs, and Allen, where he sold info products and education, supplements, and SaaS. So this sales process is something that works for many different industries and many different niches, combined generating over $100 million in sales every single year. So let's go over the 3 steps. 1, the North Star. Step 2 is future pace, and step 3 is the consequence. And after step 3, you would then transition to your offer. So let's go over step 1, the North Star. This is where you want to find the customer's problem. Ask them what their problems are, what they're currently doing to solve that problem and achieve their goal. So on step 1, the North Star, you want to be spending that time to 1, get to know the customer's specific goals. Ask them what they're currently doing to achieve that goal. Ask them how long it's taken for them to get to that goal and why they haven't been able to get to that goal. And ask them why is now the right time for them to make a change. The goal of this is guiding the customers and helping them get clarity across their North Star and what they're really looking to achieve, and reminding them that what they're currently doing is not working, and making it clear to them that if they continue down this path, they're only going to continue getting the same results. Reminding them that they have to make a change if they want to get to their goal. Once you get that out the way, you want to ask them, like, why now? Like, why is now the right time for you to make that change? Why is now the right time for you to seek help? Why not wait 6 months from now? So what you're doing with the North Star is you're getting clarity on what their goal is, getting clarity on what they're doing over the last 12 months has not been working, getting clarity on the fact that they need to make a change, and getting clarity on the fact that now is the right time for them to make that change. So that's part 1, the North Star. Part 2 is future pace. You want to be sharing the ideal lifestyle. You want to get to know what achieving their goal would mean to them. What will it make them feel? How would it make their family feel? What you want to do is you want to put them in the ideal situation and have them really feel it, visualize it, and imagine what it would be like if they could get to the other side of the bridge and get to a point that they want to be at. And really help them feel it, understand it, so that they can understand the importance of making this change and what it would lead to and how important the other side of the bridge is for them. Part 3, consequence. So you want to be talking about the consequences of not taking action and not making a change. Remind them and let them know, like, hey, on the other side of the bridge is if you don't cross it, what would that look like the next 12 months? If you don't make a change and you stay in the same path that you're currently going down, how would that make you feel? Where do you think that would lead to? Are you willing to settle for that outcome? And ask them, like, is now the time to really make a change so that you don't keep going down this same path that you've been going down? Why? Are you sure? Like, why? Tell me why why is it really, really important for you to take action, to not allow the path of mediocrity to occur? Like, why? Like, tell me why it's important for you to not continue doing what you're really doing. So really talk about the consequences, talk about how it would make them feel if they don't do anything. So in step 2, we talk about the feeling you would get if you were able to achieve your dream outcome. Now we're talking about the feeling you would get if you don't achieve your dream outcome. If you don't get there, if you keep doing what you're currently doing, what are the consequences, the feelings and the consequences of not taking action? That's the 3rd step. And then you then want to transition to the offer. So those are the 3 steps that Alex Hormozi follows in all his sales processes for all his companies. He sells everything from services to info products to physical products to software. He's sold so many different things, and this is a consistent formula that he consistently uses to generate $200 million plus each and every year. So hopefully you guys got value from today's video.